Hey everybody, I got a new camera. I need some video to play around with. I don't want to film something important to me and then not have it work right, so I'm going to break around 9-ball racks. I got some test footage here. And to do this, we're going to be cut breaking. So I'll be hitting the one about right here at an angle, and be hitting a little bit of left on the cue ball, maybe a hair low. And then what should happen is the green 6 should go right in the corner, and the 1 should track towards the side pocket. Like so. And now we're playing 7 balls, so it's good to have a good break. And so we'll be cutting this 2-ball on the side. And coming probably 3 rails around, shoot the 3-ball. There's our 3rd rail. And perfect on the 3. I'll be drawing this just a hair and shoot the 4 on the side. You drew that too much. It's alright, I'm just going to roll forward and shoot the 5 in the corner so I can't get to it. Shoot her in the side. And we'll just be playing this in the corner. Options here. I try to get on this to play it in the side pocket, or I can play it in the corner pocket. The angle I've got, I'm going to come up table and play it in the side pocket. I'll be somewhere up here, like like this side of the line, so that it's cutting down towards the 9-ball when I shoot it. And it's too hard to try to play it in the side pocket. If I get on the wrong side of that line, I got a chance of scratching. So I'm just going to be drawing this off the rail and then into this area over here. Okay, I'm short. I'm right where I want to be. I need to be up here. So now I got a little bit of work to do. And let's see here. I'm going to be probably just trying to shoot this. I could just roll into the rail and take the cut on the 9-ball. Or I could try to spin it 3 rails. Or a lot of inside and spin over here. I think that's what we're going to do. Yeah, try to go ahead and spin this towards the towards over here. Tripod's a little bit in my way here, trying not to kick it. There we go, that works. And 9 in the corner. Alright, it's breaking, run a 9-ball rack.